This is our wrapper design. This is the first one that we did, and then this is the real one. These are our little alien doodies that make it. And then we have the mascot, which is the alien doodies again. And then we have a recipe on what we would like it to be. So step 1, melt the chocolate. Step 2, add kind of like the millions, the blue and pink ones. Step 3, add popping candy. Step 4, put it into a mould. And step 5, put it in the freezer. And then this is our poster. So this is the first design. And then this is the real one. So we thought it would catch the children's attention. This is our chocolate.
Oh, it's like the Willy Wonka box. That's lovely. Wow. How many do we get to eat it?
Okay, so we called it Detonation because it's the chocolate's meant to explode in your mouth, and detonation is another word for a bomb or explosive exploding.
Yes.
So there's a little bomb down here. It can't really be seen. It's meant to be blue, but never mind. And also the bomb is a blueberry. That's why it's meant to be
Which is
blue.
the fruity
Yeah,
element.
and it's exploding and.
Interesting, lovely. And tell me about this colour scheme. You've gone for a rainbow colour scheme. What's that about?
So we kind of wanted it to attract kids, so we put like the designs of rainbow. So
Yeah,
and it's
like flavours. Yeah, because like
Very
when because the age is 9 to 12, so
Yes.
like they're like children, yeah. So like they would want to like a chocolate that would attract them. So we thought rainbow would be a good colour.
Yeah, lovely. And Oliver, what did you say about it as well?
I like all the flavours sort of.
I see. Good. So 2 reasons there. It's colourful and attractive for that target audience. Just hold it still, madam, please. Colourful and attractive there for the target audience, which is nice, and also reflects that range of flavours, which also is a good idea as well. Lovely. Okay.